Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Sentism AI token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Sentism AI uses in a new era of on-chain applications from autonomous AI-driven investing to intelligent DeFi workflow and real-world assets management. It is an AI-powered infrastructure protocol that enables users to create and deploy smart agents to manage capital, automate strategies, and interact with multi-chain ecosystem in a programmable modular way. Launched in 2024, Sentism AI is built on BNB chain and Hedera with plan to expand to additional networks. The project consists of three main components: Open Router, launched on a Telegram mini app designed to serve developers, DeFi strategies, and everyday users alike. Open Router is the execution layer of the protocol. It connects AI agents to real-time on-chain data, enabling them to interact with DeFi protocols and real-world assets autonomously. Agents can run multi-step strategies such as yield loops, liquidity optimization, and automated reward claims across supported integration. Launched in SentismAI AI agent tokenization platform, it allows users to launch, mint, and trade AI agents token through built-in building curves. Powered by PancakeSwap V4, users can create their own agents token using BNB or USD1, participates in the creator economy, and earn rewards. Sentism AI project institution rating is 3.1. Sentism AI token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 176 million Sentis token is listed on Binance Alpha, MEXC, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.